So I'm going to try and make a fiberglass blade. Now at work we had some off-cut fiberglass shaped like that, and I said in my infinite wisdom I'm going to make a knife out of it. It won't be a strong knife, but it'll be like a show blade or something. I have no idea how it's going to work. I'm not even sure if I can even sharpen it to look good enough. As I said, it won't be anything other than for showing, putting on up on the wall or something, or in a knife collection. It won't be any good for hunting because it just simply won't be strong enough. However, carbon fibre, I was thinking about having a go at making it out of carbon fibre. However, this is just fiberglass. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the blade maybe there, and find a pencil can. The idea is we'll trim a little bit off, make this end shank a little bit thinner, and then we'll make a wooden handle for it, and then we'll try and put a bit of an edge on this end of the blade. So stick around and see what happens. Let's go and make something. I found my Sharpie. I want to take this off. Like that. It's going to be very, very dusty. Definitely wear a mask. So let's go and chew some wood. We've got a bit of Jara. We've got some purple heart. What else we got? Oh, I don't know what that one is. There might be some more Jara, purple heart. Ooh, well, since this one's already cut down, I think we'll use that one. So I'm just going to switch over to my multi-purpose blade. Okay, since I want to get these exactly the same width and they're very short, what I'm going to do is putting that through the thicknesser. It'll most likely get stuck halfway through as the rollers won't be able to push it all the way out, just purely because of the length. So that to stick on there temporarily, so it won't move, hopefully. No idea if it's going to work straight through. Now what we could do is put the groove into that, and I can start shaping the handle. Huh. So I've decided I'm just going to try and freehand this. Not sure how well it's going to go. As long as I don't go too far over these lines, it doesn't even have to be straight, because once I've put the other one on, and that is going to hide it all. So mix up some epoxy. I'm going to mix a fair bit up. Once this goes off, there'll be no way that it will move. Oh, in theory. Hard up there like that. That's cool.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon That way, you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time.
Don't forget to go and make something.